I don't know if we're gonna catch anything, but we can try. Oh yeah, snakehead.
Snakehead?
Yep.
That's a nice one.
No, he's just...
You scared the shit out of me.
Yeah, I know. As it feels, you know, freaking.
Yeah, when he definitely needs to the side.
We got him wrapped up.
He wrapped himself up. He's ready, yo.
I actually didn't think I was gonna catch anything on this side. And one snakehead is gonna ruin my spinnerbait. Oh my goodness, completely destroyed my spinnerbait. Not a bad one. Little guy. This is why I don't like catching snakeheads off of spinnerbaits. They absolutely destroy your spinnerbait. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Well, that's about normal. Shout out to Dan for letting me use this. Hopefully he can catch me some more fish. A lot of minnows stocked up. More fish for the YouTube video, man. Can't be just showing one fish, alright? Because I don't talk that much, so I can't just overuse one fish.
I caught one fish.
Like most good YouTubers, like Lunkers and John B, they can just catch one fish, but they can talk about it all day.
Yeah, talk about it.
And it's actually entertaining.
It was like right off the bottom,
and
bounced it off a pebble.
Yeah.
The pebble was probably made out of granite. It was good.
It's actually entertaining. I can sit here and listen to them talk about the one fish all day. Just like I don't give a fuck. But it's just like I can't do that. I'm not gonna be like, all right. So what I was doing was, I had a spinnerbait on. It's a clear day. Water's clear. Water's about 50 degrees, 60 degrees water temp. Even though I know it's not like I'm just saying.
Yeah.
I'm just saying. I'm just randomly throwing degrees.
Dog, it's a fucking giant, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
All right.
Oh my god.
All right.
I'm fucking lost.
Don't oversell it. Don't.
I just broke my record. Thank you guys so much. Very appreciative for all your support.
All right. Good job. Good job. Pick up your world record.
Dude, it was so weird because he wasn't running with it at all.
You like absolutely you hook set so hard on the poor freaking fish, man. You trying to kill it?
My bad, bro. I didn't know it was a fucking 13-pounder, you know?
Oh yeah. Oh shit. I didn't even.
I ain't know. Don't you do it. Do it. Don't you do it. I feel you tenting. Swear to God, you're gonna do it. Yep, he did it. Did it. Don't you do it. I feel you tensing again. Put you on your back. Don't do it. I feel you.
All right.
I feel like he's gonna bite my hand off.
Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second.
Rock. Set your drag.
Hold on. I got him.
How big is he?
I don't know.
Don't let him get in the rock.
Might be 5 or 6.
Not a bad one. He's a little bigger than that.
Nah, he's like 5.
He's like 6.
Just flip him.
Here, just give me a rod. He's gonna bend the hook, yo. Just give me the rod. You can grab him right there. Alright, go. You made that bitch look like fucking 10.
Well, I mean, do you see the...
The rod, yeah, he looks hella fucking thick like this, bro. Oh shit. 7.
7?
7.
All right, can you do it again?
Hold on. 7 on the dot.
It'd be hard for me.
It's like 7.5.
Freak it! Stop it. Where is it?
It's right there. 7.5.
Hold on. Keep still. All right. 7.5. All right. Here. Actually, hold it up for me real quick. Hold up my fish.